everyone, and welcome to 2023 for Yule Film Fest, our fourth year of Yule Film Fest, which we're very excited about. It was a successful 2022. We were able to have our first in-person event, which was huge for us. That was one of the key things when we founded Yule Film Fest in 2020 we wanted to do. So very fortunate to have that at the beautiful Warner Theater, which is a gorgeous venue anyway to have that located. All in all, yeah, pretty much a hit. It was pretty satisfying run through that way. A couple tweaks that I will note, because we do the in-person event now and an online event to cover some of the international and West Coast people that we have involved with their submissions for Yule Film Fest. Typically, we were using Binge Wave for the online version for virtual screening, and that had been going pretty well, but this year it seems to be a little laggy. So we're looking at different platforms to stream our festival on from a virtual perspective, just to have a better site that way. We are still looking at some locations in terms of the in-person event. I should note, because we do know Thursday, December 14th, we are looking at from an in-person event day, and Thursday the 21st, December 21st, which is the main day that we typically do for Yule Film Fest. That's when we'll probably do our online event as well, on whatever platform it'll be. Probably not going to be Binge Wave though, so it'll be hopefully a little more fluid in terms of the transitions between the different categories on that. In general, we've been open for just a couple of weeks, and we actually already have 24 submissions, so Yule Film Fest is going pretty well in terms of the submissions on that. I would say most of them are probably holiday based, so there are some unique categories that I'll actually list. It'll be in the description too, but we'll show them here too, because it's well worth, if you have a short that you want to submit for these key ones that we're looking for. They're pretty empty. They're lower volume, so it's a little less competitive too in terms of submitting on that, just because we are looking to expand some of the categories that we award on. With that said too, there are awards, so we're actually in the process of making our trophies now for the winners. We'll emphasize those at the end of this video too, because congratulations to those winners as well. Kind of blown up all over social media for their awards too, just to emphasize that they have won above all else. Outside of that, not a whole lot. So we are obviously in the early stage. It's January, right? And Yule Film Fest doesn't happen until December of 2023. But going along with it, I will note we are currently looking for sponsorships as well. So any sponsors that might be interested, that will be listed on yulefilmfest.com. There's a section for that, looking for sponsors. It could be as bare minimum as basically a couple dollars just to support us, or even basically just covering a ticket in advance for that sponsorship to get some credit for yourself. Or if you want to do something larger, there are larger packages on there from a corporate sponsorship perspective that goes directly to the event itself, to have the branding company name listed involved with that. For some of the corporate sponsorships too, you could have the trophies named after you. So you could pick, for example, if you wanted Best Animated Award to be named after your company, or even yourself if you want to donate that way. You can submit to be a sponsor of those too. Outside of that, we are loosely looking for volunteers, so it is early stages, trying to get down to the eventual nitty-gritty of where we'll be located for the in-person event, what platform we'll be doing the online event on. But worth noting, we're going to be looking for just some volunteers to work with that process too. Really, that's everything I have for you. Just wanted to give a touch-up point where Yule Film Fest is this year, how everything is going. Very exciting to have as many submissions as we do for the time being, because it's been open for 2 or 3 weeks, so it's nice to see that way, especially to have holiday submissions come through after the holiday season is always nice to see too. But beyond that, we hope you have a good post-holiday winter here, and be on the lookout for any news and updates, and follow us on social media as well. It's always your friendly neighborhood Yule Film Fest, holiday-inspired film festival. That's that. Thank you so much.